Welcome aboard one of the world's great train journeys. Our adventure begins in Wellington, New Zealand's vibrant capital, a city nestled between a sparkling harbour and rolling green hills. From here, we embark on the Northern Explorer, a train that will take us on an epic 11-hour, 680-kilometre voyage through the heart of the North Island, all the way to Auckland. As the whistle blows and we pull away from the station, the city's charming streets give way to the promise of the diverse landscapes that lie ahead. The journey has begun. Almost immediately, we're treated to spectacular coastal scenery. The train hugs the Kāpiti Coast, a stunning stretch of shoreline where the Tasman Sea meets golden sands. Looking out the window, you can see the distant silhouette of Kāpiti Island, a nature reserve and a sanctuary for native birds. The rhythmic sound of the wheels on the track provides the perfect soundtrack as we watch waves crash against the shore. It's a serene and beautiful start, showcasing the powerful connection between land and sea that defines so much of New Zealand. Leaving the coast behind, the scenery transforms dramatically. We are now venturing inland into the vast, fertile plains of the Manawatū and Waikato regions. This is the agricultural heartland of the North Island. Rolling green hills, dotted with sheep and cattle, stretch as far as the eye can see. Quaint farmhouses and small, peaceful towns flash by, offering a glimpse into rural new life. The landscape is a patchwork quilt of lush greens and rich browns, a testament to the region's farming heritage. The sheer scale of this pastoral paradise is truly something to behold. As we journey deeper into the island's interior, we approach a marvel of railway engineering, the legendary Raurimu Spiral. To conquer the steep terrain between the volcanic plateau and the valleys below, engineers designed this incredible series of loops, tunnels, and bridges. The train spirals around on itself, climbing over 139 meters in just a few kilometers. From the open-air viewing carriage, you can feel the train twist and turn, catching glimpses of the track you were on just moments before. It's a thrilling and ingenious solution to a formidable geographical challenge. Emerging from the spiral, we enter the dramatic and otherworldly landscape of Tongariro National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is a land of active volcanoes and ancient lava flows. On a clear day, the views are simply breathtaking. To one side, the majestic snow-capped Mount Raurimu, the North Island's highest peak. To the other, the perfectly conical Mountain Goruo, famous as Mount Doom in the Lord of the Rings trilogy, and the rugged form of Mount Tongariro. Standing on the viewing platform, with the wind in your hair and these volcanic giants dominating the horizon, is a moment of pure awe. The final leg of our journey takes us through a series of deep river gorges and across towering viaducts that span the rugged landscape. The train winds its way through dense native bush, following the path of powerful rivers that have carved their way through the land over millennia. The scenery is wild and untamed, a stark contrast to the gentle farmlands we passed through earlier. It's a last dramatic flourish before we begin our descent into New Zealand's largest city. The green wilderness gradually gives way to suburbs, and soon the skyline of Auckland comes into view. As the Northern Explorer pulls into the historic Auckland Strand Station, our incredible journey across the North Island comes to an end. From the urban energy of Wellington to the coastal beauty of Kāpiti, from the pastoral heartland to the volcanic drama of the Central Plateau, we have witnessed the incredible diversity of New Zealand's landscape from the comfort of our carriage. It's more than just a train ride. It's an unforgettable experience that connects two great cities and reveals the soul of a nation. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys like this.